dress. And you should know this by the way I finesse. Or you could see it way before I come. Ain't gotta say where I'm from, don't act dumb. I'm from Oakland.
Oh man, I am filming this way far in advance because I don't actually plan on doing an R6 video for quite a while, or at least until that last piece comes in. It's really not even a piece, it's just a livery. Now, speaking of piece, the last part that I did want for this bike is here. Now let me go show you. Now, we all know, y'all know me, if you've been tuned into this channel or if you've been seeing my Instagram or anything for years, you know I'm a carbon fiber fiend. Carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber. I've got a diffuser back there that you still can't see, and that's carbon fiber. Seats, carbon fiber. It's carbon fiber everywhere on this car, right? The bikes, no. Now, why do you think I don't do it on the bikes? Well, there's a specific reason I don't do it on the bikes. Because I go fucking hard on these and then I will crash them. I actually plan on crashing them. That's why I build them in a way that I make them simple to replace the parts that I fuck up and to protect certain parts so that I could actually still get to the house when I crash. So this bike specifically, carbon fiber frame sliders and these, which I had custom made and flown in from Sylvania. Frame covers. So these carbon fiber frame covers, these are sick as shit, dog. It's something subtle. I don't like gaudy, super exposed, out there carbon fiber. These you're not gonna see until you actually just really look at the bike and be like, hold the fuck up. That boy got a carbon fiber frame. Now, I've had that on my other R6 as well. The old R6 had the swing arm. This has a swing arm coming too, but I don't really care too much about the swing arm being on or not on by the time I go and ride this bike. But I wanted the frame and the livery to be on before I even rode it. So, frame finally got here. This took 2.5 months, y'all. 2.5 fucking months. It's a race bike. It's on the streets with Q4s. Everybody has been tripping about me having Q4s on it and gonna ride it on the street, but when fools be driving with 615K pluses or Toyo R888s on the street, don't nobody care about that. So why we care about having a super sticky tire that like dies real quick? On my R1 over here, I have Q3s on it. So Q3s, Q4s, and then we got Sport Maxes on this R1. So, I mean, I guess we could say I'm a Dunlop boy out here, but you know, it's just a vibe, I guess. So this is gonna be thrown in with a different video, and not right now. I've done a few changes, bar end mirrors, the chain guard right there, and yeah, sliders and some other stuff, but I'll go through an in-depth walk around and video once I do actually go ride this bike. But I'm gonna throw this on real quick and you'll see this when we get the video done. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm a happy man. I'm a very happy man. Those are the last couple things I was waiting for. Now we've got the bike up to the standard that I feel like I want to ride it now. Livery finally came from the UK, 2 months. Frame covers, 2 months. Everything else has been on the bike, but I'm hyped. I'm absolutely hyped. Now, I laid all of this stuff by hand. I don't know, sometimes I feel like it's easier that way if people don't send the sheets properly spaced and how they, you know, suggest to be placed on. So I just went ahead and free-handed it. Came out really good and very even when you go from side to side. So I'm absolutely pleased. That's exactly how I envisioned the bike from the time I saw it To the time I bought it, to the time I brought it home, to the moment we took it to go get wrapped, this is what I envisioned. Now, yes, we are waiting for like 2 more things, but I don't really care. This is how I wanted the bike. Rear set's coming, carbon fiber swing arm cover coming, but I'm pleased to be able to ride it now. So like, absolutely, I feel like this is gonna be like one of the sickest street bike R6s on YouTube. I'm very excited to like put in work on it. Old days was old days. I did do absolutely some of the wildest shit as far as street riding back then. I'm a little older now, a little wiser now. I got more to lose, shit like that. I think for what I'm gonna use this bike for, combination of street and track riding. The back roads are gonna be a blast. Wheeling this thing is gonna be a blast. And just the way it looks, it's so fucking sick, man. Was it worth the wait? I don't know. But this right here, I don't give a damn about what the wait was. Cause looking at this, good God. Now, no. We ain't gonna be doing bike nights and things like that. This is absolutely just gonna be a little weapon for me. Everybody likes leader bikes and all-out speed. That's fine. One of those two can go ahead and do that. But this is just for pure entertainment, pure fun. My absolute joy is gonna come from riding this. And also, the other reason that this bike was built is a tribute to my brother. My brother was absolutely the kind of dude that just wanted to have fun. And that's all this bike is about, is just having fun. My brother would love a bike like this, right? He would love to ride a race bike on the street. He absolutely had the fuck it attitude. It's a race bike. It shouldn't be on the street. Well, you ain't got any headlights. It's about to be dark. Like, you know what I mean? That's his vibe. This was the reason I was building this bike. This is why I did not want to ride it until it was how I wanted it to be, because my brother was a stubborn person like that. If he thought something, that's just what it is. And so as I was building this bike, the second I knew what I wanted it to be, there was no substitute. I did use the old livery, the 2000 R6 livery for this bike, because the race bike that I very much so wanted to closely emulate was the R7. So the only other thing that I wanted to put on the bike that I was kind of in the air about, on the fence about, is whiting out the tail the same way I whited the front out. Now, I wanted to do it and I was fully committed to it initially, but I decided to go with the old logo, the old livery tail portion, instead of just fully completely whiting it out. Now, what I can still do, is still an option, is if we took that white paneling over the top of the tank and over the tail, but I think that might be a little bit much. I think this is tasteful, just tasteful enough. I feel like raising the rear is gonna give it that aggressive stance that's gonna make it turn in so much more quicker. Although it does already turn in extremely quick because of the fats on the back. This is a 60 series rear sidewall, so it's a taller stance, which makes the bike roll in and rotate very quickly. I am getting used to that, and I feel like I'm gonna take it through the back roads and get a little bit more used to it. But once I do get used to that, I'm raising the rear height. Rear height will go up. It's just gonna be a Moto2 bike. That's exactly what I built it to be, is a Moto2 replica before they went 750, 760 cc actually, is what the Triumph class took it over to be. So here we go. Moto2 R6, built and inspired by my brother. And this is the bike, the attitude. I'm just about to have fun. I'm just about to have a blast. That's what this bike is all about, and that's what it's for. So yeah, I'm gonna do track work, I'm gonna do street work, I'm gonna do all kind of work. There's really only one reason for it to have this rear peg on here. Those that know, because if the show ain't on that side. So I just wanted to make a real quick vlog. I'm hammering them out, I'm knocking them out. I feel really good, and I'm in the flow of making these vlogs right now. So this just happened to come in, and excited I am. Very excited I am. So I'm gonna wrap this up real quick with the experience we gained off building this bike. I'm gonna give y'all 2, and we out.